warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm from Bashkortostan and I represent Kurultay, Canada, which unites Bashkirs all over Canada. I'm so happy to be here. Thank you, Gafur Agha, for inviting, because I feel like home here. So many people from Tuva, Azerbaijan, Turkish Republic, Uzbekistan, Afghanistan, Egypt, and many other countries. Thank you for being all together. And I totally join to the words that were told by Uzbek community Canada. I'm not going to repeat. I only want to thank Gafur Agha and Turkmen community for delicious food. And I want to congratulate Gafur Agha with the birth of his granddaughter. Granddaughter Safia. Inshallah, let Safia be raised in health, happiness, and in Iman. Inshallah. Thank you.